So this is the change machine, and I will insert the note inside this, as you can see, and the coins will come out here, as you can see. So I'm gonna put all $15 into this slot. Try again. So you can insert $5 note, $10 note, or $20 notes, and all the coins come out here. So I will take these coins out. So this is a car wash here. Now I'm gonna insert coin into this, and there are different options, as you can see. Tire, engine, cleaner press, pre-soak press, soap press, foaming brush, rinse, wax, low pressure, splatter wax, rinse press, and spot free rinse. So I'm going to put some coins in here, $2 and $2 more. And then what happens if the coin is just about to finish and the car wash is still remaining? Then I will put some more coins. So I will use not all the options. First I will use pre-soak. All right, and here this is the hose I need to use. So I'm gonna wash this. So this is a pre-soak option. It doesn't come out with too much pressure, so you just pre-soak it with this one. As you can see, I'm doing it right now. So you have to do it thoroughly. So when you pre-soak it, it takes all the dirt out when you use the another option, which is called soak. I'll show you later on. Tires. All right, I have done the pre-soak option, and now I'm going to use a soap press, and this will the water will come out with a lot of pressure, and it's a really hot water, as you can see. So now I'm going to use the rinse option. I'm not going for foaming brush. This is enough for me because car was not that much dirty. So now I'm going to use the rinse option. So car is completely rinsed now. So to make sure it doesn't leave any spot, I have to use another option, which is spot free rinse. And with this one, it doesn't leave any marks on the car. So I do not need to wipe it after car wash if I use spot free rinse option. So just 2 seconds to go and it's done. So as you can see guys, as you can see, the car is now really clean, really nice and clean, and it's just like new. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for all the latest videos, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Thank you. Bye.